In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use standard deviation in TradingView chart. Standard deviation is a simple, powerful way to measure volatility, how much price tends to vary from its average. Traders use it to quickly see when a market is calm or when it's heating up, which can help with timing entries, exits, and risk management. Start on your TradingView chart and look to the top left of the screen. Click the Indicators button, the one typically marked with the AFX icon. This opens the Indicators panel where you can find every built-in tool and a large library of community scripts. It's the quickest path to bring analytical tools onto your chart without digging through menus. In the search bar that appears, type Standard Deviation. You'll see Standard Deviation under the built-ins, along with community versions. Select the one you want, and TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. Choosing the built-in is a great place to start if you just want the classic calculation. Once selected, the indicator will appear on your graph. Most often, you'll see it as a separate panel beneath your price chart, showing a single line that rises and falls as volatility changes. When the line is elevated, it signals that price has been moving more dramatically relative to its recent average. When the line contracts and stays low, it indicates quieter, more stable price action. You can hover over the line to see exact values at specific bars, which helps you connect spikes in the line to what you're seeing in price. It's helpful to remember that the standard deviation indicator reflects the time frame of the chart you're viewing. If you work on a 5-minute chart, you're seeing short-term volatility. On daily or weekly charts, you're looking at broader swings. As you watch the market, notice how the line tends to swell during breakouts, earnings reactions, or major news, and how it often tapers off during consolidation phases. You don't need to do anything else to start benefiting from it. The default settings are designed to give you a clean, informative read right away. If the line looks flat or small, that's usually a sign of a quiet market rather than a problem with the tool. And if you ever pan around your chart and don't spot it immediately, look for the separate panel just below your candles. It's often right there. That's all there is to it. Click Indicators, search for Standard Deviation, select it, and it appears on your chart. Keep an eye on how it ebbs and flows with price, and you'll quickly build an intuition for market volatility.